Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
No need to say it again. Good morning, and keep your cameras on. I think everyone can see what is.
Good morning, ma'am.
I think good morning, Arush. No need to speak again and again. Okay. See here what is written. शोभित गुप्ता कभी माइक ऑफ करोगे बेटा या नहीं?
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope everyone can read this well.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope everyone can read this well. What is written over here?
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
No need to say good morning. Good morning, everyone. I think you can see what is written over here. And I can see many of your cameras are off.
Good morning, ma'am.
समर कितनी बार बोलूं बेटा? हो गया गुड मॉर्निंग. ओके.
Okay, ma'am.
Cameras on. Shobhit, Unsha, Kanav.
Ma'am, we have to take out this book.
This book is written. What is written over here? First, read this. All right. What's written over here? There are so many students sitting without the cameras.
Camera on.
There are so many students sitting without the cameras on. Keep your cameras on. I'll throw you out. If you will sit without camera, that means I'll throw you out. Simple. I don't like repeating the things again and again. मैं एक बार बोल दूं वो काम कर लिया करो. Okay? I don't like repeating things again and again. So I've written here. I don't say again. I don't say this thing again and again. What is written at the top here? Let me spotlight myself so that you can see what is written. Everyone. I hope everyone can see. Now let me see who are there, those who are not able to understand what is written here. Arush, तुम्हारी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या लिखा है ये? Athar Singh, can't you understand what is written over here? Kanav, do I need to say this again and again? Yuvraj Nagar, it's written over here something. Can't you see that? Now let me see who else is not able to hear me when I'm writing something over here. Kirsh, can't you see what is written over here?
Ma'am, your video is not.
My video is properly coming. I have a very good network right now. So please don't say your video is not coming.
Ma'am, I can see you.
Obviously you can see me, but I can't see you because your camera was off. Daksh Pradhan Singh, Arhan, Alar.
Ma'am, because I can't join the meeting.
Do I need to remove you again? And Athar Singh, do not switch off your camera. And this is my last warning to you, Athar Singh. The whole class is sitting without camera. What are you doing behind the camera? Are you playing the games or what you are doing? Araf Solanki, switch on your camera. What are you doing? Are you playing games? I I don't think so. Your parents will ask you to switch off your camera. None of your parents ask you to switch off your cameras. Because you yourself, because they also know you sit behind the camera and you play games and whatever you feel like you do that thing. And keep your mics off.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning, Gauri. अब इतना late आकर के. I want everyone's camera to be off. बार-बार बोलती हूँ camera on करो, फिर camera off कर लेते हो. If you are going to listen to me, I'm going to just keep you in. If you are not going to follow my instructions, better if you are be out. Game खेल रहे हो तो game खेलो, आराम से सो रहे हो तो सो लो. I'll give you entry in my class only and only if you are going to switch on your cameras. Camera was on means you are sitting in front of me and you are studying. You are not playing games and you are not using the WhatsApp and anything else. Look, half of the class sit without the camera, just sitting. They are lying down on the beds. Still, I can see a lot of the students without camera. Who is this Surendra Kumar? Who is this Surendra Kumar? Arhan, क्या करते हो बेटा? सो जाते हो क्या कैमरे के पीछे? Karthik Kumar Arun, what are you doing? Are you playing games? Your mother always complained me that you always play the games. Is this what you are doing behind the camera? Yuvraj Singh, where is your camera? Arhan, what you are doing behind the camera? Arpit, Daksh Pratap Singh, Parmeet.
Yuvraj.
This is Surendra Kumar. I'm going to remove this Surendra Kumar if you are not going to change your name. मतलब कैमरा ऑन करना ही नहीं है, आराम से बैठे हुए सो रहे हैं, है ना?
पापा ने कनेक्ट कर दिया है.
समर प्लीज एंड युवराज नागर प्लीज स्विच ऑफ योर माइक्स.
अब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है तुम्हारा तुम लोग
युवराज नागर स्विच ऑफ योर माइक एंड स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा. अब देखती हूँ किसका कैमरा ऑफ होता है ड्यूरिंग द क्लास. If you are eating something, if you are having something, you will have in front of me. No one is going to switch off their camera. Switching off camera means you are playing games on the phone. Whatever you are using.
Ma'am, no.
What no? Stop it, Bhavik. Ravi, switch off your mic. This spoils my mood in the morning that switching off their cameras. प्रवीर सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है क्या? माइक ऑफ कर लो प्रवीर. Now everyone take out your reasoning books. I'm going to teach you about patterns. What are patterns? Nobody is going to write anything. Just look here and nobody will speak also in between. I know I'm going to tell you very easy answers right now. मैं बहुत easy पढ़ाने वाली हूँ. भव्य, कैमरा कहाँ है तुम्हारा? I told you, even if you are eating, if you are having something, whatever you are doing, you have to switch on your camera. कुछ भी करो, कैमरा ऑन होना चाहिए. See, I'm going to teach you about the patterns. I will tell you very easy questions, so don't howl and shout in between. Okay? Don't howl and shout in between. समझ ही नहीं आता है. युवराज नागर never. I know very well, but let me speak, okay? Let me speak. I am the teacher. You are not the teacher. Let me speak.
Ma'am, we are not getting the voice.
Bhavya, rejoin it. I don't think so. My networks are bad now. They're superbly doing really well right now. My networks. It's 200 Mbps. So better if you join again. Rejoin again, okay? See here, patterns. What are patterns? Yajat, open your camera. See, patterns क्या होते हैं? Patterns, there are two types of patterns you can see. एक तो बेटा हो गया number वाले, number series में आपके. By that you have to do some calculations over here. Number series. So first of all, I'm going to teach you about the number series. Patterns में number series. Okay. There are other type of patterns also, like visual patterns. That is known as, this is known as जो number series आती है ये आपकी verbal reasoning में आती है. This is known as verbal reasoning. ठीक है। और ये वाली जो होती है दिस इज नोन एज, जैसे आपके पैटर्न जो विजुअल वाले होते हैं देखने में, कि जैसे अगर आपको मैंने सर्कल, ये डायमंड शेप बनाया, देन सर्कुलर शेप बनाया, देन स्क्वायर शेप बनाया, देन डायमंड शेप बनाया, देन स्क्वायर शेप, सो दिस पैटर्न, दिस काइंड ऑफ पैटर्न्स आर नोन एज, ये वाले जो होते हैं ये आते हैं आपके विजुअल। विजुअल मतलब देख कर पता करोगे इसको। एंड नंबर सीरीज में क्या होता है, दिस इज वर्बल, यू हैव टू डू सम कैलकुलेशंस ओवर हियर। इन नंबर सीरीज अल्फा न्यूमेरिक सीरीज भी होती है, अल्फाबेटिकल सीरीज भी होती है, उसमें भी कुछ ना कुछ कैलकुलेशंस करनी होती है। बट हियर इन दीज टाइप ऑफ पैटर्न्स यू हैव टू सी द विजुअल्स। विजुअल्स देख कर पहचानना होता है कि इसके बाद क्या आएगा। ठीक है, सो ये जो विजुअल्स वाली होती है जिसमें हमें देख कर वी हैव टू सी थ्रू इट, सो वो विजुअल रीजनिंग इज नोन एज नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग। सो वी विल स्टडी बोथ टाइप ऑफ पैटर्न्स इन द सीरीज। ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ सीरीज, सीरीज कैसे कैसे हो सकती है। आरव सोलंकी, इफ यू विल बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, आई विल गिव अ टाइट स्लैप ऑन योर फेस। आर यू अटेंडिंग द क्लास फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, आरव सोलंकी? Are you attending the class for the first time? I always ask you to not to write anything when I teach you. And whenever you have to write anything, I'll mention it at the top. Do I do this thing or not? Yes or no, everyone?
मैम यस
जब भी मुझे कुछ लिखवाना होता है तो मैं क्या करती हूँ? You tell me. Akshat will tell me. जब भी मुझे कुछ लिखवाना होता है तो क्या करती हूँ मैं?
write with the marker that we have to write this.
What I do?
Mention about it. Top corner, you write here.
Yes, at the top or the corner, I write where you have to do this work. When I teach something, do you have to write anything? जब मैं कुछ पढ़ाती हूँ तब आपको कुछ पढ़ लिखना होता है, ये बताओ?
No, ma'am.
No ना? जब मैं पढ़ाती हूँ कुछ लिखते हो? No. So Arati, keep this in mind next time. When I teach you, you will not do anything. Whenever I teach you, you will not do anything. Okay? So visual is non-verbal type of reasoning. सही है, ठीक है? Okay. So I'm going to teach you how the calculations can be done. आप वैसे तो every question is different in reasoning. आप कुछ भी नहीं कह सकते कि इसमें क्या question आएगा. But I can tell you some of the hints. कि हम कैसे करते हैं questions को. See, if the series is increasing, अगर series बढ़ रही है, suppose I give you one series 26, 28, 30, 32. That means what is this? Series is increasing na? Series is increasing.
Yes, ma'am.
How much is it increasing?
Percentage order.
You can, बेटा हम ऐसे symbols बना लेते हैं ऐसे करके. 26 से 28 तक जाने में कितना increase हो रहा है? +2 increase हो रहा है. 28 से 30 तक जाने में कितना increase हो रहा है? How much is it increasing?
+2.
+2. And 30 से 32 तक how much is it increasing? Wait a minute.
When there are some network problem, 2.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute, बेटा. Let me do the भव्य को problem हो रही है कुछ.
Ma'am, I cannot open my video.
Okay, now look here. So 32 is +2. Now you understand the pattern that +2, +2, +2. So 32 plus how much? +2 will be how much?
34.
Okay. So you can check the series if it is increasing or decreasing. If it is increasing or decreasing, it is coming this side or it is decreasing. Or what is the pattern? जरूरी नहीं है +2 same number हो. It could be different also. Like I can give you some other thing like 27, 30, 35. Okay, so as you can see, 26 will be 27 by how much?
1.
Plus
One.
1. Plus 1. Beta, always mention plus 1 or minus 1. 27 will become 30.
3 plus 3 plus 3
Plus series of odd number.
plus 5
As you can see, plus 1, 3, 5. So what will be the next number?
plus
Will
7
be
then
41.
1, 3, 5, 7. So 35 plus 7 will be 42.
42
Now you understood the pattern. Beta, first of all, you have to understand the pattern, what pattern is going on. And is this pattern should be correct in all of them. Nandini and Aradhya, please switch off your mics. All right? ठीक है? अब देखो. Now open your books. Let's start some of the patterns and visualization तो बेटा different होता ही है. तो उसे हम एक एक करके check करेंगे कि कैसे होगा. Okay? Now take out page number 7. Take out page 7. Everyone take out page 7 in your books. How many of you don't have a book? Those who don't have a book, I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to send a picture of it in your books on the WhatsApp group. Those who are not, Beta, I'm just going to send a picture of the page 7. Those who are not having book, they can see from the WhatsApp. I'm going to share the picture of it. 4th A में I've sent it. 4th B and 4th C also I'm sending. Okay? Those who don't have reasoning book, they can check it from the WhatsApp group. Okay, see the first page 7. Everyone take out page 7 reasoning book. Devansh Verma and Arush Chaudhary, please switch off your mics. Be ready with a pencil. Use pencil. Use pencil. In reasoning book, everyone will use pencil. And take one reasoning notebook or rough notebook to solve the answers. But where will you solve the answer? जैसे अभी मैंने आपको series बताई है, ठीक है? जैसे मैंने आपको अभी series बताई थी +1 -2. Where will you do it? All right. Now see, use pencil, everyone. Use pencil. Nobody is going to use pen here. Okay. Okay. Next thing, you have to do the rough work in the notebook. In the reasoning notebook. Rough work you have to do in reasoning notebook. ठीक है? आप
I've made a reasoning notebook.
Now, no, you are not special one that you made it. Everyone has to made it, beta. Page 7. Take out page 7. Patterns. Patterns is given to you. Nobody will speak in between, okay? Nobody will speak the answer. This is my strict rule. Nobody is going to speak the answer. If I'm going to ask you, only then you are going to speak the answer. Okay, see here. Let me teach you first of all. The first series which is given in question number 1 is 8, 10, 14, 20, dash and dash. Okay, Varshita, please switch off your mic, okay? Varshita, please switch off your mic. फिर बोले आरुष. Again he said the same thing. I told you whenever you have to do this, so I ask you to do it. See beta, when does 8, अब देखो कैसे चेक करते हैं, 8 में 10 कब आता है? From 8 to 10. How much? By adding 2. अब 10 to 14 कैसे बनाओगे?
By adding 3.
How will you bring 14 to 20?
By adding 6.
Plus 6. Now see here, quiet everyone. I told you nobody will tell me the answer until or unless I ask you. Here it is 2, here it is 4, here it is 6. Now what we are going to add? See, listen to my question.
8.
Now what you are going to add? You are going to add 8 here. On next one, how much word will you add?
9. 10.
Why, beta? Why?
Ma'am,
Because they are even numbers.
increasing
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. They are even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. By skipping one number, you are adding. So what will be there? 20 plus 8 is how much?
28.
28.
28.
And what will be plus 10?
38.
So answer will be which option? A, B, C, D?
Ma'am, C.
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 28.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You can note down this in notebook.
Ma'am, we have to make a reasoning notebook.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it necessary?
Yes. Because you will forget what was the pattern followed, because there are so many difficult questions also. फिर आप भूल जाओगे कि कैसे करते हैं. Yes, it is important. Write this in reasoning notebook. And mark C with the pencil in your books. Correct.
Ma'am, we have to write this in notebook.
Yajat, what is written here? Yajat, can you read it? Yajat, can you read
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
What is written here? एक बार पढ़ के बताओ मुझे ये क्या लिखा है? What is written here?
Write this in reasoning notebook.
हाँ, तो किसका मतलब क्या होता है?
रीडिंग नोटबुक में लिखना है.
हाँ, very good. I think you understand it now.
Ma'am, what we have to write in the notebook heading?
What you have? What is written here? Question 1 में क्या लिखा है बेटा? ऐसे सीरीज बनी हुई है, यही आपको लिखनी है. और क्या लिखना है? कुछ स्पेशल तो लिखोगे नहीं.
मैम क्वेश्चन ही उतारना है.
What is this question नहीं उतारना है? What is this language you are using?
Ma'am, we have to write question also.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do in book or copy.
What is written here? Book also and copy also, both.
Do we have to send the answer also?
No, not needed. Wait a second, let me send another link. Let me make another link for the next class.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा.
ma'am, we stick this page in notebook. Ma'am,
No need, don't stick. Prof, एक notebook बना लो reasoning की अलग से.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, beta, just give me a second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, I have done Sarvada Singh.
Am I also done?
Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
Am I also done?
Ma'am, I have done.
Battery is 2%.
Ma'am, same.
Ma'am, can I leave because my battery is 2%?
Okay, Rishabh. Okay, Rishabh. Beta, but see the recording, Rishabh. Okay. Now everyone,
Ma'am.
see the next question quickly. Let me start the next question now. See what is the question here. Let me make it. 123. Ara, what is this going on, beta? Are you sitting properly?
not right question.
Ara, what happened? हाँ Ara? Ara, beta कोई problem है? Are you facing any problem that you are making such noises?
No, ma'am.
Hmm?
I am not question. I will not night. Ma'am,
Ara,
please first question.
beta, you can see the recording now. I have given you enough time. बहुत टाइम दिया था मैंने लिखने के लिए, है ना? I've given you enough time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I know the answer.
Okay, very good if you know the answer, but don't speak the answer. Beta, see, if the question is like this मैंने बनाया नहीं आपके square boxes are not made like this. They are making very decorative way, but this is the question given to you. Okay, so see, the number is given 861 is very much big than 123. 351 is very much big than 7. 51 is very much big than 51. 9.
Ma'am, it is 357, not 1.
357 it is. Okay. Okay, sorry. Thank you so much, Panchal. See here. So 357 is much bigger than 51. So what happens? अब इसमें क्या होता है जब बड़ा नंबर होता है, so think about multiplication. When there is a very big number, we will think about multiplication. Okay, and when there is small number increasing, that means addition. When the numbers are decreasing, then small numbers are decreasing, then minus. And if the bigger numbers are decreasing, then divide. So as you can think, 861. What is this 861? How can we get this 861? Use 123 and 7.
Ma'am, by multiplying 7.
Ma'am, by multiplying 123
Okay,
and
let's
7.
check this. Let's check this. This is not confirmed, beta. एकदम confirm नहीं कर देते हैं. ठीक है, first हम checking करते हैं. First we check 123 multiply by 7. Let's multiply these two numbers because we are getting a bigger number, both of them, na? So we'll multiply 7 3s are 21, 2, 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16, 1 copy, 7 1 is 7, 861. Is it coming 861?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll multiply
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Now all of you check yourself. Check yourself. Now 7 1 is 7 last में तो आएगा. So multiply these two and multiply these two and check whether you are getting the same type of answers or not. Yes or no. Quick. Next period will be started at this period 9:45. Okay.
Oh. Then we have to multiply 9 by 51.
Beta 7 by 51. First try multiply 7 by 51 and check whether beta पहले check कर लेते हैं हमें यही आंसर मिल रहा है या कुछ और आंसर, because there can be different patterns also. First check it. Try to check it.
Yes, ma'am, it's the same answers.
Okay. Very good.
Yes,
Panch. You
ma'am.
have
They
done
are
it.
same answer to me.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
how do we have to do?
Ma'am, I know the answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, there are correct answers. Ma'am, I can't find the answer.
Correct.
You might get same answer.
Okay, beta. Okay.
Ma'am, same answer.
Ma'am, I also get the same
Ma'am, we have
Ma'am,
to
I
multiply
also
700 I also same answer.
and the 7.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I also same answer.
Okay, very good. You all are getting it the same answers here. See, you are getting when you are multiplying 7 by 51. Are you getting 357?
yes, ma'am.
When you are multiplying 51 by 7, you are getting this 7 ones are 7 and 7 fives are 35. Yes, you are getting the same answer. Now multiply 51 by 9. 9 ones are 9 and 9 fives are 45. So answers are 4, 5. Now 1 9 multiply. What will be the answer here? Type in the chat box. I want to see the chat. Type in the chat box. I want to see. Type in chat box. Your answer. Very good, Panchul. Correct. Correct, Mokshit. Very nice. Samarth, Vedanshu, Sheesh, correct. Yathak Singh, correct. And Mola, correct. Very good. All your answers are correct, everyone. Anmol, correct. Very good, Taranvi. Charitra, correct. Athar Gupta, wrong. Akshaj, wrong. Samar, wrong. Zoya, right. Yashmit, right. Yatharth, right. Saurya Tyagi, right. Rena, wrong. What is this Z?
Sorry, ma'am, galti se ma'am, what's that?
Okay. I hope everyone has done this. Done? Karthik, wrong. So beta, when you multiply 9, again here you have to multiply 9102 by 9. So when you multiply 9 twos are 18, 1 carry, 1 here, 9 ones are 9. So answer will be 918. That option is which one? D. Option D is correct. Now you can note down this in notebook if you want to note down what is the reason used over here.
Ma'am, option C.
Hmm?
Option 918.
Ma'am, option C.
Sorry,
C is
option C. It's 981. Sorry. 981. Yes, C. You want to copy this down? You can copy this down.
Ma'am, we have to write it or we can not write.
You can write it, beta. How will you remember this hints? Hints कैसे याद रहेंगे आपको फिर? बताओ, भूल जाओगे ये सब? I'm telling you. You will forget this hint. फिर यही सोचते रह जाओगे कैसे किया था हमने? How we have done this? You will keep thinking. So better to note down somewhere. How many of you?
Ma'am, we have to do this multiply in no copy.
Better let me send the link for the next class. Just give me a
Ma'am,
minute.
I have done.
Okay.
Then next class also yours.
Sixth. No, not is next one is not mine. Yes. Shall I rub this now? Ma'am, we can do this in the method multiply 9 by 100 and 9 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Kaise, Panchul? Panchul, please explain me the method which you are saying, please. Let Panchul speak. Arslan, please switch off your mic. Panchul, speak, beta.
Ma'am, we can multiply 9 by 100 is equals to 900 and 9 by 2 is equals to 18.
Yes, you're breaking this, na? You're breaking it into two parts. That multiplication you are doing. Na? Multiplication you are also telling. Na? That is also correct. Yeah. I thought there is some other method you are telling here. There can be other possible ways also where you get this answer. But make sure the patterns are correct everywhere. So I'm going to rub this. Okay? Those who have not done this, take a screenshot and do it afterwards. Okay, next question is quite difficult. Okay? इसका जो मुझे आंसर बता देगा, but you will not ask from your parents, nobody will ask from anybody else. The thing is, you have to tell me the answer. This one is quite difficult. This one, who is going to answer? Let me see. You will just say, raise your hands on your cameras, not this side hand box. I will not see. I will see on the camera who is raising their hand. Let me see. Who wants to tell this answer? Who can tell me this answer? Nobody? Nobody wants to try?
मैम आए चरित्र
चरित्र, किसी से पूछा तो नहीं है चरित्र? चरित्र,
No,
type in chat
ma'am.
box. Stuti, yes, beta. Tell me the pattern it is following. I don't want the answer. I want to know the pattern. I want to know the pattern. What is the pattern going on? I don't want to see the answer. Answer मुझे पता है, वो तो answer दे रखे हैं. You can tell me the answer from there also. I want to know about this pattern. What is the pattern following here? Palvini, switch on a camera. Devansh Verma, switch on a camera. Nobody will speak. May I tell? Otherwise, I will remove them. I told you to raise your hands. Nobody will say, I tell. Okay, I've asked you to say, raise your hand if you want to tell me the pattern. Raise your hands if you want to tell me the pattern. Palvini, Harsh Patel, always switched off their cameras. Harsh Patel, always camera is off. Ashray Agarwal, always the camera is on. Who is the vice Sanidhya Negi? Who is Sanidhya Negi here? I don't think so. Please. Sanidhya Negi. Who is Sanidhya Negi in the class? Okay, I'm going to remove him now. If he is not going to speak, I'm going to remove him. Either he is going to change his name or I'm going to remove him. Where is Sanidhya Negi? Oh, not like this. Stuti, yes, Stuti, you are speaking something. So Stuti will tell me.
Ma'am, 107.
Huh? I'm not asking you answer. Answer नहीं बताना है. Pattern क्या follow हो रहा है ये बताना. Akhya will tell me, okay? Akhya?
Ma'am, please side.
First is like 5 5s are 25, then 8 8s are 64, then 2 2s are 4, then 3 3s are 6. Then what the answer?
3 3s are 6.
We will add them. 3 3s are 9. And what the answer is coming, we will add it.
किससे पूछा दीदी से? किससे पूछा दीदी से?
No, ma'am.
कब निकाला?
Didi is on another room.
Your didi is?
On another room.
In another room. पहले से पूछ लिया होगा दीदी से, है ना?
No, ma'am.
पक्का? Very good.
Ma'am, I was asked from my dad that what I was not having the answer.
Very good, Akhya. Very good. Clap for Akhya. Clap for Akhya. She did the answer really nicely. She did not ask from anyone and she got the answer herself. Very good. She tell me the pattern. Actually, she did not tell me the answer. मैंने जो उससे question किया, उसने मुझे वही answer दिया. I asked her, tell me the pattern, and she told me the correct pattern. Who else wants to try? Yes,
मैं वो वाला question मैम कह रही थी मैं करता रहेगा.
Ma'am, can you explain the answer?
मैं पूछूंगा. मैम कहेंगे तुमने बीच में कैसे बोल दिया?
हाँ, बोरू बने बैठे रहा करो तो.
मैम कहेंगे तुमने बीच में कैसे बोल दिया?
उठे हो, कोई बच्चे स्टडी करते ही कहाँ करो.
Shobit Gupta, wait a minute, Yashmit. Shobit Gupta, please switch on your mic. मैं आपसे बात करूंगी आराम से. Next, because this meeting is going to be over.